just shy of 13 inches.
That's just short enough to fit. This is a 14-inch luxury base, and it fits inside. I'm going to put the top on. And I can see I've got a little bit of room in the top there. I'm going to put my guide piece in. I'm going to let it drop onto the top, just like we do with the regular CakeSafe. Here we go. And the knob just comes off. You absolutely have to pick it up from the bottom. I don't know if you can see under here. This is the lip of the top, the bottom. Very important. Guide piece comes out, rod stays in, and now I'm just going to lift the top off. And now I'm going to grab a hold of the rod, and I'm going to twist and gently lift, just like you do with a regular CakeSafe. And I want it to come out far enough to clear the foam pad in the bottom. And here we go. Okay. And then I'm going to twist to pull the rod out the rest of the way. I'll be putting my flowers back on. So I wanted to share about the differences between the cardboard CakeSafe that is made from corrugated cardboard and our CakeSafe original, which is made from a number of materials which are durable enough to last as long as you want to bake cakes. I used the same 3 CakeSafes myself for over 20 years, and it's washable, and it obviously is incredibly sturdy. You know, we're talking about a stainless steel rod and, you know, the double-walled sides, which keeps the cake cool. I know this CakeSafe and any of the sizes of these CakeSafes that we originally have can go literally hours and hours on a hot day in an air-conditioned car. It keeps the cool in extremely well. As far as durability is concerned, clearly this is a very durable CakeSafe. The cardboard CakeSafe, if it doesn't get dropped or nothing smashes into it, you should be able to get at least 5 to 10 uses out of it. One of the things that I was thinking about when I was designing it was for bakers to be able to pass off a cake in the cardboard CakeSafe. It's very easy to utilize, so they'd be able to take it apart and it would be simple for them. So a baker who is in a bakery environment where you're passing cakes off to customers to take, I think this is a great alternative. If you know that you're going to be baking on an ongoing basis for a period of, you know, years, this is going to always be here for you when you need it. It's washable and it's highly durable.